will look something like this. WordPress, let's install it. My website online, which is nice and easy. Hi everybody, this is Edgardo and I'm building Bunt RGB, a daily puzzle game. In the last episode I showed you the process I used to vibe code with ChatGPT, and even if it's a little early, today I've decided to make my landing page. But just because for me, if there is the website online, the thing now exists. So let's dive in. What I already did was to develop a mock-up for my web page. We have the logo, we have the payoff, then a huge heading, game under development, and a button, play beta. I want to send people to my YouTube following my devlog and also to my community on Discord, which is not currently available. So in the end, my website will look something like this. Then about the game, some information just for SEO, then a logo and footer. Okay, pretty easy and straightforward. First thing first, I'm buying my domain. I already have a hosting on my hostinger just for 1 year. It's Bunt RGB. Let's pay this. I always use WordPress. I'm using my Gmail. It is asking me to choose a password for WordPress. Just click OK, and I'm going to use this one. Let's install it. Okay, so right now we are online. As you can see, there's this temporary domain. So I'm going to build it with Divi. So I'm going to install Divi in here. Okay, I installed Divi and everything. So this is my login page. Let's save my password. And here it is, my backend. I'll add a new page. It'll be called home. I'll publish, and I use Divi Builder. It will ask to build it from scratch, and I will build it from scratch. As you can see, there's the footer and the header, and I don't want that, so I'm reopening the backend. Let's go to page. Let's quick edit it, and I'm going to use a blank page as a template. I like to open it in a new tab. Let's click on build from scratch again. And as you can see, it's a blank page. Let's go back to media. Let's add all the medias. I already prepared my 4 media I need. The logo in RGB, the logo in black for the footer, and the 2 social media icons. And then let's add my logos. Here they are. Let's go back to my page. Another thing I normally do to facilitate my building of the website is this color palette. As you can see, I'm going to need this Xcode for my background, and we will put it in here. All right, I'm going to use my Bunt RGB logo, which is a little huge at the moment, and I don't think I need it this huge. Probably we'll just need a 500 pixel. Probably is too much. 300 pixel, fine. Now I'm going to need my payoff. Let's use Enter as my font, which is my brand font. In the middle, 24 will be okay, perfectly enough. Then I'm going to insert another section with text. I guess 45 is enough. I just noticed this wasn't in black. And right below that, I want to add my button, play beta. And I want to use custom styles for buttons. I don't want any icon. Okay, the hover animation looks decent. This time I'm going to use the blurb. As the icon, I will use the YouTube icon. I will only need the title of this blurb, For this new section, I will just use this one, and instead of this one, I will just use about the game and my text. I want this to be not too big. I guess 600 is fine enough. A little bigger, black, and centered. And I think for the footer, I will just duplicate the header and just change the image and the ratings. 14 pixel. This is my website. I still need to customize it. I need to go in settings, reading. I need a static home page as a home page, home, save changes. All right, I guess we can already see my website online, which is nice and easy. This doesn't link anywhere. Let's see what it looks like for a tablet. I'm now adjusting all the dimensions and spacing for tablet and for the mobile version. Okay, my payoff a little smaller. I don't expect many visitors, but you know, just to be ready. Still way bigger than I wanted it. Footer logo to be a little smaller. And that's pretty much it. Now the website is up and running. Everything works. Now I'm just gonna need the buttons to link somewhere. Right now I want this button to be linking to my beta version, and I'm copying the link, getting back to my WordPress. And now I'm going to use a new tool which is called 301. And now I'm going to create a 301 link, which means I have a custom link and I can track the traffic. So I'm going to redirect to this beta app and I will call it beta. Let's copy this link and we are going to use the same window. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my YouTube account. This is my handle, new rule. This way I can track my links. And of course, when I will share my game, this time I will share it through this link, bondrgb.com/beta. And I guess we're there already. This links to my YouTube. Great. And this links to the beta app. Nice, very nice. So what I like to do is to open it in all the different web browsers. So it's bondrgb.com. We're up and running. Very, very nice. So now my website is online, and I guess that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and like the video. So see you in the next episode. Bye.